In this video, we are going to talk about meta ads audiences. So whenever we launch an Advantage Plus shopping campaign or we generally launch a campaign, we can see what kind of audience that Facebook is going after. Either it can be engaged audiences, existing customer, new audiences. So you need to know what kind of audience you need to put in these settings to see the breakdown. Whether your Facebook ads are targeting new audiences, existing customer or engaged audiences. Generally, Facebook tends to go with the new audiences, but to identify that whether our Facebook ad is retargeting our people or it is going with the engaged audiences or existing customers, you need to see that. So we need to know which audience should you use in the audience section. So this video is all about that. For those who are new to my channel, my name is Divyang and I am running Facebook ads from 2020 and able to generate more than $75 million in revenue for my client. So if you need any help with Facebook ads for regarding your business, you can reach out to me using the link in description. Right, let's start the video. Which audience should you use in your audience section? Engaged audiences, existing customer, new audiences. So whenever you launch an Advantage Plus shopping campaign, you will see these types of things. In the reporting section, you will see engaged audiences and existing customers. You need to define them, then only you will able to select this existing budget cap. So what's going to happen if you launch Advantage Plus shopping campaign? You can set certain amount of budget for your existing customer, but to define those existing customer, you need to define these custom audiences. Whenever you go to Advantage Plus shopping campaign, you need to define engaged audiences, existing customers. If you don't define them, you cannot use this feature, right? And this is very important feature because this will help Facebook to target your existing customer if you want them to, because Facebook tends to automatically retarget those people. But once you define them, Facebook will have much better approach in showing the ads to the people who are engaged audiences or in the existing customer. So what is the use of this? So if we do that, what is the benefit of doing this, right? I'm just showing you a live demo ad account, right? And here I am using this sales campaign and I've got some around 1500 plus purchases and spent around 8 lakh rupees. In USD it will be around more than 10k. It comes around 11k. So it's a good amount of volume of sales over here also. And if I do the maximum, then I've spent around like more than 20k and it is 19 lakh rupees that I've spent in the, right? So 19 lakhs rupees in 3 months, and this is the number of volume that you can see over here. Now if I go to the breakdown and go to the demographics and click on audience segments, I can clearly see how many purchases I have got from the engaged audiences, how many purchases I have got from existing customer, how many new purchases, new audiences Facebook has gone after and got me 2940 results. And if you can see, Facebook is spending certain amount of money on engaged audiences, that is around 2,57,000 rupees. In existing customer, Facebook has spent around 62,000 rupees, and Facebook has spent around 15 lakh rupees on new audiences, around 16 lakh rupees. So it comes around 15k. So Facebook is spending majority of the amount on the new audiences and certain amount on engaged audiences and certain amount on existing customer. And this unknown part is like mix of all these three. When the Facebook is not able to identify those people, it put in the unknown section. We can clearly see that how much Facebook is spending on engaged audiences and adjust our retargeting on that basis. We just don't want to target the new people. We also want to target the people who have engaged audiences and existing customer. By defining these audiences, you can train your pixel in the much better way. So how we do that? So if you go over here, all tools, and click on advertising settings, you will land over here. Go to the audience segments. When I was working on this ad account, I updated this on 2nd November, on this also 2nd November. We don't need to touch this. You can do this part on the ad level. One disclaimer: whenever you touch these things, Facebook tends to reset the ads. So make sure about this, that whenever you do this, there will be some kind of reset, right? Engage audiences and existing customers. In existing customer, when we click on existing customer, we see purchase 180 days. These are the people who have purchased your product or signed up for your services. So you need to define custom audience that only collects the purchase data. For example, create custom audiences. These are the sources that you can use. You cannot use Facebook engagers or Instagram engagers. Only sources you can use for engage audiences and existing customer is website, app activity catalog, offline activity customer list, lead form or shopping. Just click on the website, click on the purchase and click on 180 days. You cannot go beyond 180 days, so just define 180 days and name your audiences as a purchase 180 days, and that's it. Another audience that you can use is your customer data that you have from Shopify or from your Klaviyo, whatever the CRM that you use. Put that customer list over here. Like from here, just click the create custom audiences, click on the customer list and upload your list, and you're good to go. Now you don't have to touch them again and again. Existing customer part is done. Purchase 180 days and customer list. That's it. Now come the engage audiences. Here is the tricky part. Generally what people do is create a custom audience and start creating custom audiences. For example, people start doing add to carts, initiate checkout, add to payment, and page views, view content, and they try to create multiple audiences over here, and they do not exclude purchases over here. People just put all these audiences with 180 days time frame but do not exclude the purchases. That is the major thing that people are facing issue, that they are not excluding the purchases. That is the whole point. To avoid all this, I just create one single custom audience, that is all website visitors, 180 days, and exclude purchases 180 days. So now what I have done is I have refined all the people who have came to our website, try to add to cart, initiate checkout, add to payment info, but they haven't buy. They are our engaged people, but they haven't bought from us, so we cannot categorize them in the existing customer. So whenever you create a custom audiences, create all website visitors 180 days and exclude purchases 180 days, right? That's what I have done in this all website visitor exclude purchase 180 days. This is the main thing. If you just add to cart 180 days, initiate checkout 180 days, view content 180 days, you have somehow included the purchasers in this custom list, but you need to remove them, right? That is the simplest thing, but these simple things make a lot of confusion when you see the data and the data is not correct and you are not training the pixel in the correct way. So engage audience, all website visitors, exclude purchase 180 days. Even if you want to do add to carts, please just exclude purchases from 180 days. These are the custom audiences you need to look after. Simple. Engage audience, all website visitors, excluding purchase 180 days, and existing customer, purchase 180 days. Simple, that's it. I hope this video reaches you well, and when you do all this, you can clearly see the data in your ad account and decide on that basis. Thank you.